Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn about a problem in running total or sum and how to fix it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. I have one table here. This is employee table. First see the data in this table. So see this. I have a salary column here. I want to calculate the running sum of salary. Simple write query like this. Sum salary over order by salary as running salary. Simple. See this output of this query. So see this HR department salary is 1,50,000 and R&D department salary also 1,50,000. So first row it is showing 3 lakhs. It should be 1,50,000. In the second row it should be 3 lakhs. So this data is correct, but first row data is not correct. So how we can fix this? We have a two ways we can fix this. So first way, simple write query like this. Just add employee ID in order by clause. See this 1,50,000, 1,50,000 plus this. It become 3 lakhs. So showing here. Correct. Simple. I have another way. If you don't want to use this, so let me write another syntax here. Simple write rows between unbounded, preceding, preceding and current row. Let me move this in second row. Now you see this output, same output. So basically this syntax is used for the window frame includes all the rows within the partition, effectively treating the entire partition as a single window. Okay, simple, easy. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.